Okay, to disassemble the bassoon, you're going to take, first take the bocal off. And you're going to take the bassoon and put it back on your foot. And take the bell off, again holding down that key so it just comes right off. Then you're going to remove the bass joint and just put that right away. Okay, so now for these last two, you need to swab them. And you're going to do that from bottom to top so that you're not pulling moisture through the entire instrument. Just going to put that in there. Then you're going to do the same with the booth, and again go from big to small, so you're not pulling moisture through the entire instrument. And you're going to make sure with everything that's in the case that holes are up. And then last but not least, you're going to put your strap away.